In this video, we will see classification and questions on opioid analgesics. So, opioid analgesics are classified into three classes, that is natural, semi-synthetic and synthetic opioids. Codeine and morphine are natural opium alkaloids. Diacetylmorphine, which is also called as heroin, pholcodeine, oxymorphone, hydromorphone and oxycodone are semi-synthetic opiates. Whereas pethidine, which is also called as meperidine, fentanyl, alfentanil, sufentanil, methadone, dextropropoxyphene and tramadol are synthetic opioids. So now we'll see the questions. Morphine analgesia differs from that produced by aspirin in the following respect. So, morphine analgesia covers both perception as well as psychic processing of the pain. Morphine produces analgesia by acting at both spinal and supraspinal sites. In man, sedation caused by morphine is characterized by little or no motor incoordination. The subjective effects of morphine include the following: that dysphoria in many uninitiated individuals, detachment to self and surroundings, and euphoria in dependent subjects. Dysphoria is a state of feeling of uneasy, unhappy, or unwell, and euphoria is the experience or effect of pleasure or excitement and intense feeling of well-being and happiness. Actions of morphine include the following: vagal stimulation, meiosis, and postural hypotension. Morphine induced fall in blood pressure involves the following factors, that is direct reduction of vascular tone, vasomotor center depression, and histamine release. Instead of depressing, morphine stimulates Edinger-Westphal nucleus, that is the accessory oculomotor nucleus is the parasympathetic preganglionic nucleus that innervates the iris sphincter muscle and the ciliary muscle. Morphine-induced constipation involves the following mechanisms, that increases in tone and decreases in propulsive activity of intestinal muscles, spasm of gastrointestinal sphincters, and reduction of gastrointestinal secretions. In a comatose patient suspected of poisoning, which of the following findings would be against the drug being morphine? That is mydriasis. Morphine. So, it's a 2-glucuronide metabolite, is an active analgesic. Its oral to parenteral activity ratio is 1:4 and it undergoes enterohepatic cycling. The antidote of choice for morphine poisoning is naloxone. What is true of tolerance occurring in regular opium abusers? So, no tolerance occurs to constipating and meiotic actions of morphine. Okay. Morphine dependence is characterized by physical as well as psychic dependence and marked drug-seeking behavior. Use of morphine in the following category of patients does not carry any special risk, that is ischemic heart disease patient. Morphine is contraindicated in head injury because it can raise intracranial tension. Choose the correct statement about codeine. Codeine is a weak or weaker analgesic than morphine. Pethidine. So, pethidine is synthetic opioid which is also called as meperidine. It is less constipating than morphine. It is poor antitussive and in overdose it often produces excitatory effects. It is due to norpethidine, which produced as a metabolite of pethidine is responsible for this excitement. Following opioid is more potent than morphine, that is fentanyl from the synthetic opioid analgesic class. Indicate the opioid analgesic that is used as transdermal patch for chronic and cancer pain, that is synthetic opioid fentanyl. The distinctive feature of methadone compared to morphine are, so methadone also is synthetic opioid It has high oral bioavailability, high plasma protein and tissue binding, and delayed and milder withdrawal symptoms in dependent subjects. The following opioid analgesic is similar to codeine in pharmacological profile but is less constipating. That is dextropropoxifen, which is synthetic opioid. Select the analgesic which acts through opioid as well as additional spinal monoaminergic mechanisms. That is tramadol, which is also synthetic opioid. An opioid analgesic is preferred over aspirin-like analgesic in the following condition, that is in burn condition. Morphine affords symptomatic relief of dyspnea in acute left ventricular failure by the following mechanisms, that is by depression of respiratory center, reduction in cardiac preload, and shift of blood from pulmonary to systemic circulation. Morphine has high affinity for the following opioid receptor, that is mu opioid receptor, which acts by inhibiting cyclic AMP formation. Thank you.